Identical charges minus q each are placed at 8 corners of a cube of each side B. That means a cube of side B at 8 corners we have a minus q charge. Electrostatic potential energy of a charge plus q which is placed at the center of the cube will be. So we have a cube, side is B, side of a cube is B, all the sides are equivalent, and 8 corners we have charges, 8 charges. So these are the corners we can name. So let me write these charges are minus q, all the charges are minus q. And at the center of this cube we have a plus q charge. So we need to find the energy of this particular group. So there are 8 such groups, 8 groups of plus q and minus q charge. Reason simple, we have a minus q charge and plus q, there is one group. Similarly, we have 8 corners minus q charges and plus q at the center, therefore 8 groups of plus q and minus q charge. If you want to find a total energy, it is sufficient if you calculate energy between 2 charges in the group. That means any one of the charge plus q and minus q if you find, so total energy will be 8 times energy corresponds to plus q and minus q. 8 times the energy. But how to find out that? We need to find a distance from the center of the cube to one corner. Of course, all the corners are equivalent. All the corners are equal distance from the center. We need to find a distance. Simple imagination. If you consider the front surface here, I'll name it as A, this is B, it is C, and it is D. Therefore, AD is a diagonal opposite corners. AD is a diagonal opposite corners. When AD, if you consider diagonal opposite corners, half of that distance is the distance required, that is O to A. To find out that, we need the distance AC. We need a distance AC. So AC, it is square root of B square plus B square. Therefore AC is equal to, it is a square root of B square plus B square. Reason simple, AB is equal to B, BC is equal to B, therefore B square plus B square, square root is giving AC, Pythagoras theorem. Therefore is the root to 2 times B, AC. CD is equal to B. Therefore AD can be written as square root of AC square plus DC square. Now AC is equal to root to 2B whole square plus B square. That is 2B square plus B square, root of that, it is root 3 into B. Therefore, the distance AO is required, that is root 3 by 2 times B. So all the charges at a distance of root 3 by 2B from the center. Therefore, if you substitute for energy, so total energy given by 8 times energy between the 2 charges, and that is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, it's a Q into minus Q divided by distance, it is AO root 3 by B divided by 2. For the 8 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, it is minus Q square, 2 goes to numerator, it's a root 3 into B. 4 ones and 4 twos, 2 into 2 is a 4, 4 by root 3, it is a Q square by root 3 epsilon naught into B, and this is negative. Therefore minus 4 q square by root 3 into pi epsilon naught into b. Root 3 are written totally, therefore root 3 into pi epsilon b, and that is given as option C. So C is right.